episode of Rose and Gold. My name is Dr. Ross, and this is my co-host, IK.
International King. Let's move into our hot topics for today, starting it off with Kim Kardashian. So this is a short one, but Kim Kardashian elevates her stitched bodycon dress in the wildest fire flame heels. Now, Dr. Ross, before you get into this, I could see where Kylie got the inspiration.
Exactly, and IK, for Kim personally, we don't know where we're going to place her in our next upcoming movie, because she's kind of a tricky one to place, but we have a spot for you, Kim. Just remember that if Kanye is not acting right at the house, come over to the Rose and Gold studio and we can sit you straight.
And she was just talking about an exit plan. Rose and Gold. Come to the studio. Let's move into our next hot topic with Dua Lipa. She has a weird name, but she makes temperatures rise with a racy underwear selfie.
It sounds like Dua Lipa, Dua Lapa, Oompa Loompa. We're not going to butcher your name, but it sounds like she is trying to enter herself into the She's Hot winners. And that's exactly what she's doing because she's gotten the attention of the Rose and Gold team. Let's get into our next hot topic with Kurt.
Change the name first.
Exactly. With Kurt Franklin. So he posted on Instagram his anniversary post for 25 years with his wife, congratulations, and Tyrese decided to be petty and go in the comments and say, Amanda, this could have been us. Franklin's relationship was supposed to be our relationship goals.
Dr. Ross to Franklin, keep on playing, player.
Exactly.
Frank, call him Frank Sinatra. And with Tyrese, you need to stop. You had all those good songs, you could have used one of them. And I'll play the scene right here, but that one song just quoted your entire life.
Shine on me. Every night of us, I dream that I wake up with you.
Tyrese, stop. You just sound like a sad sap sucker. Let's move into our next hot topic.
The only thing I want to say, IK, is Tyrese, I'm going to agree with you. He needs to stop whining around, but the place you should be settling your issues with your wife should not be in the comments of someone else's Instagram like a 12-year-old. It should be face-to-face with her unless you've changed the locks again.
And Tyrese, I have a few things to say about you. You've lost your player card, you've lost the luster. But let Dr. Ross and I be in your next upcoming music video. Maybe the music might be maybe that's what it needs for you to get that fire back. As
Maybe
well
that's
as
what
the
she
king. Let's move into our next hot topic with Caitlin Bristowe. Caitlin Bristowe says that she felt her ex, Sean Booth, was her person before their split.
Then get back together with him. Again, IK and I are becoming the love doctors every single episode for you. We're going to have to change the Rose and Gold name to Love Doctors Help for the celebrities who can't get back together with their exes.
We might make that into a segment, Dr. Ross.
We will.
The 5 Languages of Love with International King and Dr. Ross.
That's right.
Let's move into our next hot topic with the Cyrus. Miley Cyrus is going to perform at the latest Super Bowl.
Congratulations for you. We heard The Weeknd will also be performing at the Super Bowl. Speaking of the Cyrus family, Noah Cyrus, happy 21st birthday. We heard your birthday was January 9th. We're a little bit late, but again, happy late birthday for your 21st birthday.
And with Miley Cyrus, we know that you're radical, but let Dr. Ross and I bring you down, ground you, bring you back to earth.
That's right.
Put us in some of your films, as well as your music videos. Dr. Ross and I, we might have a film for you called The Vicious.
Yes, sir.
That is completely right, IK. Speaking of movies though, since IK and I have tons of movies that are coming out, and you guys will see about this in the future, but for our next movie topic, we have Vin Diesel wanted to hype up his new Fast Furious 9 and surprise fans. You know, I'm not really surprised because I knew they were going to throw a Turner in there, but he threw an image in that shows that Fast and the Furious 9 will have The Rock in it. So, what are your thoughts, IK?
Most likely they've made amends, and he's going to be a small cameo character since they've already filmed most of the film.
You know, for me personally, I don't think they made amends at all. I think what Vin Diesel is looking at is the cash, and he sees that The Rock brings appeal to the Fast and Furious series. Not that Vin Diesel can't carry it himself, but when everyone sees The Rock, they want to go see it.
That might be the case, Dr. Ross. Let's move into our next hot topic with Kodak Black. He is finally out of prison.
Yes, I heard about this. Speaking of people that have gotten pardoned by Trump, ex-drug kingpin and Death Row Records founder Michael Harry O weeps and he thanks Trump for the pardon. So it seems like Trump has just got a little bit of chump change from Kodak Black, who has the same lawyer as Lil Wayne, and Death Row founders Michael Harry O.
And
So-
everyone Dr. Ross and I have been saying, Kodak Black, they don't know if he paid the million to Trump. He obviously did it underground, because he's not going to do that above.
Can you believe that?
Take a picture, Kodak Black. The new king is in. Hugh Hefner used to be the king. I'm the one taking over. I'm the one taking the pictures now.
That's right.
That's for you. Look out, Black.
And for the ring, I know you see it. I anoint you. Leave a forehead mark right in the middle of your forehead. Don't look too close, but the diamond's right there. Let's get into our next hot topic. We have Real Housewives star Teresa Giudice cuts the price of her New Jersey mansion to $2.5 million. Now, the only thing I want to say about this topic, IK, even the Rose and Gold audience at home watching, say it with me, we all know why she's doing this. She needs the money. And that's all we're going to keep it at that topic. Teresa, keep looking scandalous, keep looking good. We hear your relationship is going fantastic with your new boyfriend.
The Luis. Sounds like Luis Fonsi to me.
Exactly.
Let's move into our final hot topic of the day. And this one is a joke topic, but I'll add it in just in case. GameStop stock price skyrockets to $220 US, thanks to Redditors.
You know, I know this is a joke topic, IK, but the things I want to say is I'm proud of GameStop. You know, allegedly last year they were going to be going out of business, so it's good. So any of our Rose and Gold family that's out there into technology, this is your topic for you.
Power to the players.
Power to the players.
These were all of our hot topics, but we'll catch you guys on the next installment.
And before we go out,
You, Kylie Jenner.
Before we go out, we do want to mention once again, thank you for all the orders. These are our new orders coming in once again for more and more Rose and Gold supporters. Thank you so much. We have more and more boxes in the back.
This is the new and improved Jamaican shampoo. Dr.
right.
Ross and I are working on new edits for our Jamaican clothing line as well. So stay tuned for that.
And we out.
Out.